I'm so confused.
Okay, we in the car. And it's time to go. Let's go. Y'all coming, right? Okay. I guess everybody needs their car wash today because it's a line out here. My question to y'all, do y'all like automatic car wash or y'all still out here scrubbing y'all car? You think I'm finna get out here and scrub? I ain't gonna be able to do it. So, do y'all prefer manual or going through the little automatic? I'm an automatic girl every time. And now for my favorite part. I really just I think I'm a big kid and I like to see the colors change. Or maybe that's just me. Oh yeah, my baby has been neglected. I ought to be ashamed of myself. I ought to be ashamed of myself bad because I knew better. Ooh, dark. I got dark. I turned off a light. It's a whole nother day, but I didn't feel like I gave y'all enough in the last video because I got distracted, per usual. So come spend all night morning with me. We're gonna brush some teeth, deodorant. I know you get hot in its sleep. I'm gonna go in with our good molecules. I hope everybody's having a great morning and day. If not, go do something to change that mood ASAP. Go in with a clean towel. I currently have a whitehead on my lip that ain't ready to pop yet. And if you don't get pimples on that cycle, you must be one of the chosen ones. Because that's about how I know it's coming. But when the cycle leaves, the pimples still be here for a couple of days. Like, you need to exit with it. Go in with my vitamin C, brightening serum. That glow ain't always that, man. It's that skin routine. Don't let go of your head. And then you need to go in with some kind of moisturizer. This moisturizer is not the best, but it gets the job done for now. Until I invest in something else. And then I normally put on a body mist before I decide what I'm wearing for the day. Bitch can't see, so I'm definitely gonna put my glasses back on. Make sure I rub everything in. Fun fact, I'm leaving lip line in my left eye, so I can see like shapes and colors and stuff. But that about it. Too much. Well, I'm gonna go edit. Per usual, it's my off day. I normally catch up on edits on one of them days and enjoy the other one. This is it for today. Well, I guess it's obvious that it's a whole nother day again, but y'all, I just ain't been having nothing to do, so y'all gonna have to get multiple days together. But I do gotta go get my baby ready to go to the doctor. We dressed, we finna head to that car, and we finna go to this doctor. And y'all may come with me, but y'all know they be tripping about recording the doctor office, so I might have to switch to my phone to get a little clip of that and come back. But let's go. camera be dead. When I need it not to be dead.